the shampoo off, sometimes your hair is very brittle. So I have pure coconut oil, I have grapeseed oil, I have Redken conditioner. That's a great conditioner, by the way. And I have this Joico K-Pack. A lot of people swear by this one. I ordered this offline. I have the Proclaim. It's a leave-in conditioner. Coconut oil is in it. And I also have, this is the best right here for the base of your deep conditioner. It's called Super Cholesterol Hair Conditioning Cream. And this stuff right here is it's a lot. It's a big container and it's maybe $6. So I started off by adding my grapeseed oil, which I already have a little bit in there. So I have my grapeseed oil. I've already put a little bit of coconut oil in there. And now I'm going to add my Joico K-Pack. And you know what? You can eyeball this, but I'm just going to put enough in there to cover my whole head, my ends and everything. And I'm going to wear this this mask for about an hour. So now I'm going to put my cholesterol cream conditioner in here. Maybe about, I don't know if that was like 10 to 12 pumps or something like that. You can put more, it just depends on your needs. So now I'm going to put this leave-in conditioner. I know you say, oh, it's a leave-in, but no, I'm going to add it to this mask to soften up everything. Because I need for my hair to be really soft and feeling really nice, because I'm going to straighten my hair afterwards. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Redken conditioner. I like this one, so I'm going to put quite a bit in there if it'll ever come out. Okay, so you see that? It's so soft. I like this conditioner. Okay, so let me close that. And I have some Aunt Jackie's leave-in intensive conditioner as well. I have a little sample pack. And you know what? Why not throw it in there? Look at that. So I've added everything I need to add. And if I need more, of course, I can just, you know, add more product. So I have that there. So let me put that over there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna stir it and stir it. A lot of times, what I thought to do at first, because a lot of times people will use an egg as a for protein treatment. I used to do that, and I started to do it today. But you know what? I'm gonna leave the egg out since I have so many good products right here. I'll do that going forward, maybe in the future, maybe in like a week or so. I'm just gonna stir it, stir it, stir it, stir. And like I said, once I'm rinse this the purple shampoo out, I'm gonna put this all over each strand of my hair. I'm gonna keep it on for about an hour, and then I'll come back and let you guys know how it turned out. Alrighty.